So today, we're going to break down the business model of a company that is completely reinventing high-end interiors. And look, this isn't just about pretty walls. It's a masterclass in smart strategy and razor-sharp execution. If you're an entrepreneur, a strategist, or anyone fascinated by how brilliant businesses are built, you're going to want to see this. I mean, just look at that. It's flawless. It's so integrated, it looks like it was designed with the house from day one. This is the beautiful end result everyone wants. But the real magic, the genius, is how they get to this point with practically zero mess and total precision. And that really gets us to the core problem they're solving. We all know what traditional renovation is like, right? Weeks of dust, noise, people in and out. It's chaos. So this whole model starts with a really powerful question. What if you could get that perfect high-end result, but predictably and in a fraction of the time? Well, their answer starts with a really unique way of going to market. The first piece of the puzzle is their incredibly focused and, frankly, exclusive sales channel. Right, and this is absolutely key. You can't just buy a smart wall online or in any old shop. They partner exclusively with premium showrooms. We're talking high-end kitchen designers, luxury furniture stores, places where the right customers are already shopping in an atmosphere that screams quality and trust. And the people driving this whole strategy aren't your typical salespeople. They're what we'd call strategic consultants. Their entire job is to build deep, meaningful relationships with these showroom partners, introduce this amazing solution, and basically act as the glue between the company, the retailer, and the end client. And here's where you see these stark difference in thinking. The traditional way is to just sell to anybody, wherever you can. It's a volume game. The wall shop, though, is all about strategic alignment. They handpick partners who already get their premium vision, which creates this powerful, brand-enhancing way to reach the right people. Okay, so you have this exclusive model. How do you get everyone not just on board, but excited to be a part of it? Simple. You engineer a financial system where everyone wins. Let's dig into the incentives that make this whole thing tick. For the showrooms, the deal is a no-brainer. They get a huge 20% direct commission on every single wall sold. Think about that. This isn't just some small add-on. It becomes a massive, high-margin revenue stream that actually helps them sell more of their own stuff, like a luxury bed or a sofa that looks incredible against that wall. Now, for the consultants, the real linchpins here, the incentive is just as strong, a guaranteed £1,000 commission for every single unit sold. But here's the absolute brilliance. That commission is protected. It's not some bonus that can get negotiated away or squeezed by retailer discounts. It's a rock-solid reward, which means their focus stays on building great partnerships, not haggling over price points. And when you lay it all out, you see this perfect alignment. The retailers boost their main business and get a fat commission. The consultants get a substantial, protected payday. And, most importantly, the end client gets that incredible result without the headache. It's a self-fueling cycle where everyone is motivated to deliver for each other. But of course, a slick sales strategy is worthless if the product or the service can't deliver. And that brings us to the operational side of things, the actual installation process that makes this whole thing possible. This quote says it all. The secret to a perfect, fast installation on-site is to do all the hard work off-site. By making everything in a factory with industrial-level precision, they just eliminate all the variables, the human error, the mess, the delays that you normally get with a traditional build. So when the team arrives at the client's home, the process is almost like a dance. It's a simple, repeatable system. There's no guesswork. You've got 4 steps: precise marking, fixing the brackets, placing that one critical first module, and then just click, 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 assembling the rest in sequence. It's more like putting together high-end furniture than construction. And you can see here exactly how that's possible. The structural frame, the modules, the final panels, everything is engineered to slot together perfectly. This is what allows them to work so fast with such incredible accuracy once they're on site. The real key to this whole system is what they call the master module. Think of it like the cornerstone of a building. It's the very first piece that goes up, and it sets the reference point for absolutely everything else. It ensures the alignment is perfect, and it's where all the power is integrated from a single spot. It's the brain of the whole wall. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, a premium, hands-on product like this sounds great, but how on earth do you scale it? Well, that's where their super smart, tech-driven manufacturing comes into play. They run on a just-in-time manufacturing system. So when an order comes in, the digital file is sent straight to the factory floor and converted into code for the machines. This triggers an automated, robotically precise manufacturing process. And get this, they only make exactly what was ordered. There's no wasted material, no dusty inventory. And a system this efficient is an absolute game changer for big B2B clients. Imagine you're a hotel chain that needs to update 200 rooms with a consistent, high-quality finish, and you need it done fast. Or you're a property developer who wants to offer a premium feature across an entire new building. This model delivers that at scale without a problem. Which brings us right back to where we started. This incredible room isn't the result of some long, painful, bespoke craft project. It's the direct output of a brilliantly designed system. A system that marries a smart sales channel, perfectly aligned incentives, and pure factory-grade precision. So, it really leaves you with a big question. The Wall Shop has proved that you can deliver custom, premium results using industrial-scale processes. And you have to wonder, is this just a blueprint for feature walls, or are we looking at the future of the entire interior design industry?